How's it going, everyone, and welcome back. In this video I'll show you how to schedule an online Californian DMV. So let's get started. So first of all, you go to this website dmv.ca.gov, then you press enter. And then it's gonna ask you to make an email. If you have an email already, put it in. If you don't have one, just make an email and come back. So when you have your account ready, you have two choices. You either check for any DMV office next to you by pressing on locations, and then you have to type in the city that's next to you. Say, for example, California. And after that, you press on search. And here it's going to show all the areas and all the offices that are next to you. And for the second way, you got to press on here. And then you have to press on apply for a DL. And after that, you scroll down and you start the application. And then you scroll down and you're supposed to start an application. But before you begin, you have to read this introduction. It's going to give you a quick guide into how to do it and how to finish everything. And then you press on start application. Press next. It's going to ask you to log in if you're not already logged in. And it's going to ask you to create an account if you don't have one. So yeah, that was the video for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And see you guys in the next one. Cheers.